I'm not going. I didn't hear what the teacher was saying.
Gary!
Take a photo and fill it with his rocket.
No, Miss Jack, come closer. The battery's not anything. I can see how this is going to take longer than 15 minutes. Can we stand down there? It's not black if you stand there.
Marianne, who's going to set your one up for me?
Over there.
You?
I don't know about that. Far enough.
Well, guys, I'm not doing it. I didn't pay attention to it.
I can sit in the roof.
I thought you were on that side. Okay, maybe not. I'll just tell you how to do it. Can you
7,
hit them?
Small.
4,
3, 2, 1. Oh yeah! That's so hard for me!
$1.
$5.
Oh. I'm glad you didn't put it out.
Oh shit. Oh.
Yeah. We took it afterwards.
Nice.
Oi! No energy.
Where's the rest of the bits and pieces?
I know, but it's really hard. Yeah, it launched. Oh
no.
It launched into it.
Smell like the puba.
It went into it.
See? Lucky we've got our fire retardant blocking from us. Take a photo.
Oh,
Okay.
This is on YouTube. My parachute!
oh look, the fruit went inside it. Oh shit.
Okay, you guys take, I'll take the photo and you guys will stand.
It's going on YouTube, yeah.
Are you serious? What is this? Are you like this? You have to hold it. Ready? You have to hold it.
Oh, you done yet?
I can't see anything.
Repair job.
Come on, ladies, when you're ready.
That was so high.
Take a group photo. Can we?
Oh, look, I'm launched.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, there's an breaker. What the hell?
Exact spot.
Alan, way higher, right?
Way in.
She shoved it in too hard.
Guys, nothing will go wrong. This one will work.
Will it?
No.
Will
Are you
work.
sure?
It will work. Nothing can go wrong.
Okay. Nothing can go wrong. It's totally tore Not that, the other two.
Yeah,
This
okay.
is the recovery system.
Yeah, I know, I don't have to ours.
It's good to actually load these things up just before you.
Look,
It's like all
So keep
inside.
it,
Wonder
keep
why.
it out.
Our one was kind of fine. Like the parachute started to
Before
melt.
launch.
Whoa.
Okay. So you guys, you're taking notes?
Yeah, that will.
I'm gonna move.
So I've done several calculations now as I've been adjusting this rocket, and according to plan,
I love that doesn't get off
there is
the
a very low probability of failure here.
Okay. Next
Did you say several estimations?
Whose rocket is this? We're going to stay here. Marianne, Elena's and mine.
Helen.
No, Marianne's doing it. She said, guys, come
I'll
on.
launch it. If
Helen. No, she said she wanted to do it.
Go.
I'm not doing
This has to
it.
work.
You said you wanted to do it.
Hey, I'm doing it.
Fill it. Wait, stop. Don't put it in yet. I took it out. The battery's low. Alright.
Mr. Philip can fly.
Not right.
Philip goes too fast and needs this to break, you know?
My air brake is doing fine.
It's good.
Alright. I'll say Mario.
Okay. Getting ready.
Yes.
Well, yeah, I mean, you can get it.